Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 19 together. This is an income tax question. Here are the monthly tax bands and their rates. Income is taxed slab by slab. The first slab at 10%, the next at 25% and so on. Part A, 1. The taxable income is the basic salary plus all the allowances. So 104,644 plus 25,000 house allowance plus 12,000 commuter allowance. Adding these gives a taxable income of 141,644 shillings. Now part A, 2. We tax the income slab by slab. The first slab. The whole of the first 24,000 is taxed at 10%, giving 2,400 shillings. The second slab runs from 24,001 to 32,333. A width of 8,333, taxed at 25%. That is 2,083.25. The rest of her income falls in the 30% band. That is 141,644 minus 32,333, which is 109,311, taxed at 30%. That gives 32,793 shillings and 30 cents. Add the three slabs together. The gross tax before relief is 37,276 shillings and 55 cents. Finally, we subtract Judy's monthly tax relief of 2,400. So the tax payable that month is 34,876 shillings and 55 cents. That completes Part A. Part B. In July, the net tax is 39,483 shillings 35. Net tax is after relief, so we add the 2,400 relief back to get the gross tax. 41,883 shillings 35. The first two bands are always fully used and give a fixed tax of 2,400 plus 2,083.25, which is 4,483.25. The remaining tax was charged at 30%. So subtract the fixed part and divide by 0.3. 41,883.35 minus 4,483.25, all divided by 0.3, gives 124,667. That is the amount taxed in the 30% band. Add the 32,333 from the lower bands. Her taxable income was 157,000. Finally, subtract the allowances. 25,000 plus 12,000, which is 37,000. So her new basic salary is 120,000 shillings. Well done. That's question 19 complete.